Tired of scrambling to click the mute button mid-game? Set up a toggle mute keybind in Discord in under 30 seconds. No more fumbling for the mouse when you need to cough, answer someone, or just take a quick break from talking. You keep your hands where they belong, on the keyboard. Here's exactly how to do it. We open User Settings, go to Keybinds, add a new one, set it to toggle mute, and press your preferred shortcut. Simple. All right, let's walk through this together. First, look in the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to that is a little gear icon. That's the User Settings button. Give that a click. Now, from the Settings menu on the left side, you want to scroll down a bit. You're looking for the section called Keybinds. It's usually under the App Settings heading, right around Audio or Voice and Video. Click on Keybinds when you see it. So now that we've got the right menu open, you'll see a mostly blank page with a button that says Add a Keybind. Go ahead and click that. It'll create a new row with a couple of empty fields. And here's the really important part. In that new row, there's a drop-down menu labeled Action. Click it. A list of options pops up, and you want to scroll down until you find Toggle Mute. Select that. This tells Discord exactly what you want the shortcut to do, which is just flip your microphone on and off with a single press. Now, for the actual key combination, click the box that says Press a key or key combination. Then, on your keyboard, press the shortcut you want to use. I personally use a single key, like F2, but you can use anything. Just keep in mind, you don't want to accidentally trigger something in your game, so maybe avoid keys you use all the time. Once you press it, you'll see it appear in the box. And that's basically it. Close out of the settings window, and let's make sure it works. Join a voice channel, say a few words, then hit your new shortcut. Your mic icon should turn red with a slash through it. Hit the shortcut again, and it should turn back to green. You're good to go. In my experience, this is one of those tiny changes that makes a huge difference once you start using it. No more hunting for that little mic icon in the heat of a match. It just makes everything smoother.